Good afternoon, students. This is Mr. Rapard. The purpose of this video is to review you how to turn in your concert report using a desktop or laptop computer. First thing you do is log into Blackboard, and you want to go over here to course content. Once you're logged in, so you go to course content, and then you want to go to chapter 6, attending performances. Now, in this file folder, there's a sample report. You click on that sample report, and it'll show you kind of what a report could look like or should look like. And again, this is if you're using a laptop or desktop computer. And you can maybe print a copy of this, or you can refer back to this concert report to kind of guide you as you're writing your own. Let's go back to course content. And again, to chapter 6, attending performances. And if you click on the concert report itself, and you'll see here in blue, these are the actual directions for the report. You already have a hard copy of this because I gave it to you in class. And of course, the due date is wrong on this hard copy. Your due date is the first Friday in April. But this has all the directions, all the requirements. We've already gone over this in class. You can review that on your own. If you, of course, have questions, let me know. But let's say that you've already done your report. Well, I'm going to go to Word. And remember, you can use this. You can also do this report using Google Docs, which is free software. And this is I'm opening my report, and let's just say that this is my report, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. Let's pretend I'm done. I'm going to do File, Save As, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a place where I know that I can find it. I'm going to just save it in my concert report folder, and I'm going to save it as my name. I'd like to ask you to do the same thing. And this is my second version, so I'm going to go ahead and just save it. And I know the file folder where it's located. And then I'm going to close Microsoft Word. Now, let's go back to Blackboard. Again, what you do is you go to Attending Performances, Chapter 6, click on Concert Report, and what you want to do is scroll down just a little bit, and you want to go to where it says Attach Files. And what do you want to attach? Well, you want to attach your report that you already have. So you do Browse My Computer, and there's my report right there. And then of course you click Open. And then you want to check down here where it says, I agree to submit my papers to the Global Reference Database. That means it's going to check it for plagiarism. And then you hit Submit. And you see your report is here now loading. Now, of course, mine only has one word because that's all I type, so I know you're going to do more than one word. But you'll see over here it says Safe Assign. It says Report in Progress. What that means is it's checking your paper for plagiarism. So to speed up the process, to check your paper, you can go over here to Course Content, go back to Attending Performances, go back to Concert Report, and normally it's already done. It still says here Report in Progress, but at this point, you know, you may need to wait a little bit longer, but you can go ahead and click on the little V next to the word Safe Assign, and it'll say here View Originality Report. when you can click on when it says View Original Audit Report, it'll open another window and it'll highlight what's been plagiarized. And that way you can go back and fix anything that was plagiarized, save it again, and then resubmit the paper the exact same way. You get to turn it in twice. You don't have to turn it in twice. You get to turn it in twice if you want to check it for plagiarism. Now be aware that if you say something like, the concert was outstanding, well, it may count that as plagiarism, but I'm going to know it's not plagiarism because that's a sentence many students would type when discussing a concert. But I can tell if it's plagiarism. So that's how you turn in your paper, and I'll look forward to reading your work. Please send me a remind message or email me at mark.papard@robsonisd.org if you have any questions. Thank you, guys. Be safe and be blessed.